When it comes to personal task management, two tools that consistently pop up are Asana and Todoist. Both claim to help you stay on top of your tasks and organize your life, but which one really delivers? Stick around, because we'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and ultimately, which one might be the right choice for you. Let's start with Asana. It's been a favorite for teams and professionals managing big projects, but how does it fare for personal task management? The user interface is sleek, offering plenty of options to create tasks, organize them into projects, and add due dates. You can also add tags, set priorities, and even use their calendar view for a more visual approach to your tasks. Next, let's talk about Todoist. Unlike Asana, Todoist is known for its simplicity. It's easy to use, has a clean, straightforward interface, and is perfect for people who prefer less complexity. With Todoist, creating tasks is quick and efficient. You can categorize tasks into projects, add labels for further organization, and set deadlines. There's even a feature called Karma that motivates you to stay on track by rewarding you for completing tasks. But now, let's look at something more critical. Asana, despite its flexibility and rich feature set, can feel overwhelming for people who just need a straightforward to-do list. It's packed with options, but many of them might be overkill for personal use. Navigating through multiple project views or trying to understand its complex task relationships can slow you down if all you need is a simple task manager. On the other hand, Todoist simplicity can be both a pro and a con. It's fantastic for people who need a streamlined task list, but that simplicity means it lacks some of the deeper project management features Asana offers. If you're the type who wants to track progress with detailed workflows, Todoist can feel a little limiting. Another thing to consider is collaboration. While this might be less important for personal task management, both tools offer collaboration features. Asana shines here, offering detailed permission controls, team management options, and the ability to add multiple users to a task. Todoist, however, keeps things a bit more basic with limited collaboration capabilities. For personal task management, though, this probably won't be a deal breaker. When it comes to integrations, both Asana and Todoist work well with a range of tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and others. But Asana has the upper hand with more robust integrations, especially for those using it for more complex projects, while Todoist keeps things simple with fewer options. The last thing to mention is pricing. Asana offers a free plan with basic task management features, but you'll need to upgrade to unlock more advanced features like timelines and advanced reporting. Todoist has a free plan as well, but to access its most powerful features, including reminders and filters, you'll need to go premium. Both platforms are relatively affordable, but the value depends on how deeply you need to dive into their feature sets. So, which one wins? Well, if you're looking for a highly visual, organized, and feature-rich platform for managing personal tasks, Asana could be your choice. But if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, Todoist might suit you better. However, after trying both of these myself, I'd say that while they're both good tools for personal task management, there is an even better alternative that offers all the right features, simplicity, and flexibility you'll need to manage your tasks effectively. And the best part? You can get a better free trial and exclusive benefits through the first link in the description. Check it out and start managing your tasks the way you deserve to.